Hello friends, today we learn alphabet with colors. Grey color, sky blue color, violet color, pink color, red color, green color, orange color, yellow color, black color, blue color. Let's start. A for apple. A for apple. B for ball. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for grape. H for hen. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for kite. L for lion. Red color. M for monkey. N for nest. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. Pink color. S for sheep. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for Xmas tree. Y for yak. Z for zebra.